Hey guys, I just want to get on here and do a quick update on Thorchain. The ticker for this is RUNE. I'm currently on the weekly time frame, and as you can see, we're currently in the process of breaking out of this downsloping resistance level right here. We're cutting through the target that I set in the last video. So yeah, just an update on what's going on. But before I get into this, I should mention that if you're not subscribed and you want to get notified when I release these quick update videos, just click subscribe, click the bell, and then click on all. If you don't click the bell and click on all, then YouTube's not really going to send you the notification, right? Okay, so yeah, just to kind of overview what I said in the last video, basically, RUNE has done like a retracement down to the 786. So if I run this from the bottom up to the top, this is a very, very common turnaround point for retracement levels. We have this major level of what was previously support right here, and it's now resistance. So you see as we broke down, this came up and got rejected. So as the price comes up to this range, I anticipate this is going to be a major level of resistance as well. We have this downsloping level of resistance right here. We have 1, 2, 3 touches on it. So this is another significant level. I imagine if the price comes up and kind of maybe it works its way up here, this is going to be a major level. And yeah, right now, I mean, we're currently in a process of breaking out, but we have both the daily and the weekly candle close in about 5.5 hours. So I'm going to wait and see how this closes because I don't want to, rush into a position here only for this to end up being a wick, like, the sellers to come in right before the candle closes and just sell off on me, right? So I'm really interested to see how this daily candle closes, right? But if it closes breaking this level, if it closes like this, that's a really good sign. I would anticipate if we get a daily candle close above here, maybe we come back and retest this downsloping level of resistance and see if it holds as support. If that happens, then I might look for an entry in that case, and that could because I can put my stop loss just below here, right? I don't really like entering trades that are very extended, and I don't have a tight backstop, right? So yeah, I just want to see how this daily and weekly candle closes in about 5.5 hours. That's going to give me a lot of information for my next move on this. But yeah, this looks really good. This looks really good. Another thing I want to mention, and I didn't mention it in the last video, but if you look here. So here we're breaking out of this falling wedge, but look on the larger time frame right here. This is a larger falling wedge. Okay, so this is I'm on a weekly time frame, and this wedge formed over several years. We're breaking out of it, and typically the way to get the target for falling wedges is you take you measure like the widest point in the wedge, for example, like this, and then you would project it from the breakout point, right? So we broke out right here. So it would be around $7 would be the target for this breakout. Yeah, and you'll see if I run a Fibonacci from this swing high here down to the bottom, this breakout projection lines up with the 786. So that's some interesting confluence. But I wouldn't just gamble on this target hitting because a lot of the targets for breakout patterns don't actually hit. You gotta keep in mind that these are going to be significant levels of resistance. So the first, I mean, not the first, but the most significant one I think is going to be around $3.11 up to $3.42, like this range right here. And then, if this breaks, then you're going to have this downsloping level of resistance to contend with, right? Until then, I mean, we're breaking out of here. I wouldn't be surprised if, we come back and retest this as support and kind of, get some fuel for the next push up. And this range right here, around $1.87 up to $1.95 or so. I anticipate this is going to be like sellers are probably going to step in this range as well, and then of course right here and then right here. These are the ranges, but this looks really good, really good for continuation. But I'm just going to wait and see how the candles close. Right, the candles close at 8 o'clock Eastern time. But yeah, guys, this looks great. This is definitely a coin to keep an eye on. Very, very strong price action. This one looks a little bit more bullish than a lot of the other altcoins I've been looking at. But yeah, RUNE, Thorchain update. Draw these lines in your chart if you want to basically see what the levels are. And this one's already broken out, but yeah, the breakout target for this is over $7 if that pattern plays out, right? But yeah, don't overlook these levels of resistance right here. Okay, hopefully that helps. And if once again, if you're not subscribed, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all if you want to get these quick updates. Also, I'm going to put a link to the exchange that I use. It's amazing. Well, I mean, it's pretty good. It's got a really nice interface, a lot of assets on there, easy to trade on it. I can use a little bit of leverage for my positions, and the best thing of all is it does not have any KYC. I also put a link to a VPN. I got a promotion on a VPN if you wanted to use that. And yeah. Anyway, guys, have a good day. Take care. Bye.